Kamikhalia Trinamool Congress Hakash Potarik Rimpang Kalapanlong Yaka Press Conference Windermere Resort Shillong Haka Jingeh Rangkat U President ka TMC Mikhalia Uba Charles Pingrup But Unong Yalam ka Seng Badeiru Udkhot ka Ying Dorbar Thau An ka Ri India U Derek O'Brien Haka ni ka press conference Lapan iya ka video haka ba U O'Brien U Pynpaw ha Ying Dorbar Thau An ka Ri Yakimat Bat ki Jingeh kiba ka Jylla Mikhalia ka Ikundua
1. Smart meter scam. 2. Rice scam. 3. Police vehicle scam. And scam. BJP in the government. But one of the most interesting ones I found there was the assembly dome scam. By these standards, it's only small change. 200-300 crores, sir. Jylla. Here, the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly in a BJP government unit state was constructed and the entire dome sadly crashed.
Halor ke dia U O'Brien ulabu hakmat ikimat ki bakong san ki balakta eka Jylla Mikhalia haki san snam balalet ka bakenthop ki babuan ki kambam sap hapo ka Jylla U O'Brien ulakentho halor ka jingbam biang ki bakenthop ya ka smart meter scam ka jingthiet ki kali pulet ka jingkhalam ka tunum ka yeng dorbar thau an bathamai ka Jylla ka jingshalan tu yu dau yong bat ki wei U O'Brien ulapan pauru ya ka jingdan kamban penrung no ya ka ktiang khasi bat garu hapo ka khirnet ka bapra Jong ka riti senshar ka ri.
The state, the TMC, Meghalaya team, our state president, Charles Pingrup, the leader of the opposition in the assembly, Dr. Mukul Sanma, and my other colleagues. We had discussed this the last time we were here. The last time when we were here to release the manifesto. And we had a detailed discussion on what are the issues which could be raised in Parliament. And to be very truthful, we had 4 or 5 issues, but we did tell our colleagues here that we may not be able to raise more than 1 issue or 2 issues, but this time we made it a point to raise every issue. And I say this with all humility, but with a lot of pride, that the TMC delivers. What were the other national parties doing? Parliament was on for 10 days. I challenge any national party or regional party to show you 2 minutes of any of their MPs raising a single issue. An open challenge. Nobody did. We are committed to the state. We didn't do Meghalaya a favor. We didn't do the Northeast a favor. It was our duty to raise these issues. These are very, very serious issues. Some issues don't only affect Meghalaya or the Northeast, and some are issues which go beyond that.
Hakawai Patkaliang uba Pingrup ula Pynpaw ka jingsngau scam ban job haka election kaban salong haka arpanyuk tarik urampang arajar arpulai bat ula kentho ru ya ka rukam trikam haka Jylla kabala pendu jingshania haki patba.
And the confidence it gives us that in the days to come we shall grow in strength to strength and emerge victorious in the elections we held on the 27th of February 2023. As you are aware, at the moment we have the Parliament session which is on, and I take this my honor and privilege to welcome our All India Trinamool Congress Parliamentary Party Leader, Mr. Derek O'Brien, to this meeting, and who has been very forward in his approach in Parliament to put our issues ahead, pertinent issues, which I will elaborate very briefly of the nature of the issues which Mr. Jylla O'Brien has spoken in Parliament about. Scams in Meghalaya, which is the rice scam, and also the anomalies in the smart meter or not so smart meter project, which cost the public exchequer almost 140 crores in money, in the amount. Then we also have the police vehicle irregularities. And this has cost the state dearly, especially when the people have faith in the elected officials and also in the system that's supposed to protect the law and order of the state. We also have the determination of the party, the All India Tribunal Congress, to make sure that the Khasi and Garo languages will be included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. And this has also been on many occasions articulated in Parliament by our honorable members of Parliament, both in the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. I also will want to speak about the vandalism perpetrated by certain sections of society against the Christian faith in churches all over the state and the country, and which again is our party which has raised this in Parliament. And lastly, the continuous illegal transportation of coal which is happening, although there has been a total ban by both the High Court and the Supreme Court to stop the illegal transportation. But it seems that the state has turned a deaf ear to the issues and the concerns raised by the honorable courts.
Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pun sawala wan kapor ka jingkela rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pun sawala wan kapor ka jingkela